Why is the built-in function any_b_x00 behaving differently between Python2 and Python3? The following example returns true in python2.x, while it returns false in python3.x. I can't find any explanation for the difference. bool_b_x00 returns true in both python2.x and python3.x. I will expect the value true as the byte sequence contains an element there evaluates to true. Which part of the language specification, documentation have I missed?
On python2.x, when iterating over a byte string such as b'_x00_x00_x00, its components are yielded by the iterator as substrings. This is because byte strings are just strings in Python2 and thus show the same behavior. Although, if we use Python3, a byte string yields its contents as ints. And from this difference, everything else is clear. As we already have noted, bool b'_x00 is true while bool 0 is false. The same holds true when iterating over one-element strings. List b'_x00 gives \x00 in Py2 and 0 in Py3. Bool I for I in b'_x00 gives true in Py2 versus false in Py3, and thus the difference. Note that are semantically the same. Iterate over the given object, get the truth value of every item and return if any of them is true. TLDR, b'_x00 equals b'_x00 in Python2 and 0 in Python3.
In Python2, b'_x00 is type str. In Python3, b'_x00 is \type bytes. In Python3, while bytes literals and representations are based on ASCII text, bytes objects actually behave like immutable sequences of integers. This URL. Thus, in Python3, your byte string is composed of the integer 0, which is false. In Python2, it is composed of a str character, which is non-empty, and therefore true.
x00